guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a spring DIY for you, and you'll have to excuse my lighting. We're having a storm. It's not really a bad thunderstorm, it's just a lot of clouds and rain. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. Okay, you're going to need one of these flowers and garden containers. I have the long one. I purchased all three of them, but this one I'm going to be using. And then you're going to need and naturally that came from Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some of this floral foam, and I got that at Dollar Tree as well. And then these flowers from Dollar Tree, I love them. I hauled them not too long ago. And I just love I love lilacs anyway, and I just loved all these colors. So you're going to need that. You're going to need some paint, the metallic chocolate brown FolkArt paint, and then the apple barrel burnt umber paint, and all the paint came from Walmart, and the apple barrel melted chocolate, and then the FolkArt metallic royal gold. Okay, you may need a sponge brush. You're definitely going to need a sponge. I'm going to use a glue gun and something to cut my stems with, and then I'm going to just put this foil down to protect my surface and a paper plate for my paint. So I'm going to go cut all these little tags off of my flowers, and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I've decided to do, I went ahead and cut the tags off of the flowers, but I'm going to go ahead and just paint this first. And I'm going to do it a lot like I did before, except I want this one to be a lot darker. So I'm going to pour out the metallic chocolate brown first. And then we're going to see what we do. And then I'm just going to dab in here, like I did before, into my plate. And kind of dab some of it off. And then just start dabbing it on here. Because I want this to be a lot darker than that other one. And I really think this is going to turn out nice. So what I'm going to do for time purposes is go ahead and dab all this on all over the dark first. And then I'll be back when we start to another color. Okay, I'm finished. And I love just putting that metallic chocolate brown all over, and I love how the flowers and garden is now a beautiful bronze, and it stands out so much better than it did when it was that flat black. And I really like how this is turning out, and I'm debating whether I even want to put any more color on it because I really do love this. I think with this one, I'm going to leave this one alone. And I may do another one later, and if I do, I'll add the other colors to that. But I really like how that turned out, so that is nice, okay? But if you wanted to add more, then you would just go ahead and dab all over with the other. And I made sure that I got up under this lip good, and I got the lip on the top and the bottom, because you don't want it to look, unfinished. But I think this makes this planter look so much more upscale. I love it. Okay, now all I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this wrapped in the plastic because I can't stand this stuff. It gets everywhere. So I'm just going to leave it in the plastic, and I've done that before, and I haven't had any problems. Now, if you can just get the other type of foam that, isn't meant to keep flowers wet, then use that too. But this is what I found at my Dollar Tree. Okay, and we're just going to press that in. Now, all we're going to do is just start putting our flowers in here. This is going to be so pretty. So I'm going to cut my flowers off at different heights, and then I'll be back. Okay, let me tilt this down a little bit more. I cut about 3 bundles off, and I still have others to go, but I don't know how many I want to use. So I'm just going to start sticking this in however I want it. No rhyme, no reason, just sticking it in like I think I'm going to like it. I think this is going to give us such a beautiful look. Very like it could be designer. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to how you do this. It's just whatever you like. And if you like it, then that is great. That's the beautiful thing about making your own flowers and projects, is if you like it, that's all that matters. So we'll just keep sticking these in. And I may have to cut some more of these shorter because I left them a little long because I wasn't sure. But that's what we're getting so far. So for time purposes, I'm going to go off camera and continue to stick them in. It's really simple, and I'll be back. Okay, here it is. It's finished. I love it. It is so gorgeous. If you would see this out, you would pay a lot of money for it. It is so pretty. Now, where I'm going to put mine, you're not going to see it from the back, but if you were, you could just finish it right around. But I think this is gorgeous. I love it. It turned out so pretty. So I'm going to show you where I think I'm going to put it for now. Since I have my Easter decor out and things, I have to wait a little bit before I put it exactly where I want it. So for the time being, I may just put it in my bathroom. So I'll be back. Okay, for now, I just put it in here in my bathroom. And I think it is really pretty. It just goes with everything in here. I had to move my little bunny out. I'm going to put him back. But I wanted to show you how beautiful that is. It is so pretty. And you can take these containers from Dollar Tree and totally customize them to fit your decor. I just love it. I think it looks so expensive and just fresh. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.